Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2018 Honda Rebel 500 ABS. This bike only has 592 miles and is offered for $59.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. You'll save about $1,000 off a brand new one. We sold it to the gentleman about 2 months ago, traded it in, and here it is for sale again. This is a great entry-level bike. Just an all-around nice low seat if you're a little shorter in the inseam. Good power with a 500cc, does fine on the freeway. We just went through and did a 600-mile service on it, changed the oil, tightened up everything, did a safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. Again, only 592 miles on this beauty. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, or at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.